Hi y'all, welcome to the channel. I have 10 minutes to show you everything that's in my makeup bag. I'm on a trip right now. I'm so excited. Let me show you. Here is the makeup bag in question. It is only a weekend trip, but I did pack quite a bit. We're at our good friends and they accept me as the overpacker that I am. Let's me sort through these things and we'll talk through them. Starting off with the eyeshadow palette. This palette is one I built myself from Natasha Denona eyeshadows, mostly from the brown and green, but some are from the purple and blue eyeshadow palettes, the really big ones, and I love them. This is kind of a dupe, my dupe of Naked, the OG, the Urban Decay Naked palette. So I'm not wearing any eyeshadow or mascara right now, and I'm actually really liking the look, but just in case I feel like doing something fun, I brought that. Let's talk about concealers because I have been so into base lately. So I have Fake Tanner on right now, and I've been wearing my classic Revlon Colorstay concealers. These full coverage concealers are amazing. They're an amazing price. The formula looks better throughout the day and makes your skin just look so good. It makes your skin look good. Like, not just your makeup looks good, but your skin looks so good. And I usually wear the shade Sand. 22 Sand is my ultimate untanned favorite. I've been wearing 5 Fair on the daily, and then now with my current tan, I've been wearing 40, which is medium. The shade range is not ideal, but if you have a shade that you like, definitely go for it. I highly recommend it. So this is 5 Fair, 25 Creme Brulee, and then this is medium. And here you can see the difference is not that big, but the difference is more apparent inside the bottle. I also have Bobbi Brown's Skin Full Cover Concealer in the shade Ivory, which I really like. Pat on, this is amazing. The formula is looking really, really skin-like and natural, but also still full coverage. And then I've been using up the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Dark Spots. I've actually also been really loving this formula as well. I've almost used up this concealer. So I packed a grand total of 5 concealers. A lot, I know. I've just been using it all over in place of foundation. Now for brows, because brows are incredibly important to my look, and I think the everyday travel bag, makeup bag, whatever. So I have the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter, which I love. The Milani Brow Fast Sculpt, which I think is pretty good. It's not the strongest hold. I've got the Wet n Wild Mega Clear. I love this clear brow gel so much. Found this at the Dollar Tree, totally worth it. And right now I'm wearing NYX Control Freak on my brows. I think it's got good hold. The spoolie's really big, like a mascara wand, and I would prefer something a little bit more detailed. And the hold isn't the strongest, but it's pretty good. It's all in all pretty good brow gel. So for brow gels, I brought 2 mascaras with me. I have the L'Oreal Bambi Eye and the L'Oreal Telescopic Lift. Ooh. Oh my gosh, I'm all over the place right now. So these 2, fantastic. Love Bambi Eye. It's my supreme eyelash mascara. And the Telescopic Lift is really pretty, but it does smudge a little bit. So I usually pair it with another mascara, but it's not here. So I'll be mostly wearing this one. And then here I brought my No. 7 Lift and Illuminate powder, 2 bronzers, the NARS Cream Bronzer and Laguna 1. Love this one. I've just been loving bronzer so much lately. I brought the Milani Silky Matte Bronzer to test out more. And here I have the Stila. This is in so many of my makeup bag videos because it's just so pretty. I love all the options. You can wear this on the lips, on the cheeks, and it just looks gorgeous and glowy. I also brought the Hoola bronzer to get some more use out of this one, and the Dandelion blush from Benefit as well. I brought my Chanel Le Beige sheer highlighting fluid. I love this. It's so pretty. And I also brought my Can Make Mermaid Skin Gel UV. Now let me put all of these things back. I brought some lashes with me. Ever since I tried them more seriously for my Secret Lives of Mormon Wives Utah curl hair and makeup tutorial video, ever since I tried lashes in that video, I have been kind of obsessed and I want to wear them again. So I brought a couple of the styles that I mentioned in that video from my Ani that are a little bit more fluttery natural. That is it for the base and complexion and the brows. Then Holy lipsticks, because I brought so many. I brought 3 of my Buxom lip plumping glosses. I have the shades April, White Russian, and Dolly. Love these. They're so pretty. So this is White Russian. Let me put one of these on right now. So we need to get going to dinner, but I wanted to upload a video and I was going to do the outtakes of my... What's even happening right now? I was going to post the outtakes, or the first take from my Secret Lives of Mormon Wives tutorial, but then watching it through, I don't even actually finish editing it. I didn't finish actually filming it because it took so long to do the dry shampoo and the extensions. I just totally ran out of steam. Let me know if you still think I should post it though, because maybe that would be a fun, like, for all my ASMR girlies. There's a lot of hair brushing, which actually sounds really nice as I'm editing it back. So I put on the Buxom lip liner in High Def Honey. So pretty. And then I'm going to put on April from Buxom. Yay. Okay, so that is on. I'm gonna have to pack these 2 in my purse because I'm about to head out. And then, yeah, just to finish on the lip products I brought, I did bring this L'Oreal lip balm and gloss just to finish up the ends of it. A few of these you saw in my lipstick declutter video. Love my Inexpensive Beauty Supply lip gloss. The NYX, this is Juice Gloss. So yummy, so pretty. I love this L'Oreal Infallible Plumping Gloss. It's so pretty. This is the Rosy Flush. This has a medium on the violet scent meter. It's medium. It's mostly minty, but you can still get a little bit of that floral scent, so watch out with those L'Oreal products. But if you don't mind the scent and you like the soft rosy flush that this gives, I think it's totally worth it. I also have my Summer Fridays lip balm. Let me throw that in too for something a little bit more nourishing. And then, yeah, my lip tint from Revlon, another Buxom lip liner, and a Revlon lipstick in the shade Pink Promise. I'm actually going to put this a little bit on my cheeks. There's always a little more, just a little more. Oh, so pretty. I do love that doll look. So yeah, there it is. I stuck my little makeup brushes up. I only brought a few. Brow brush, all over complexion brush to blend out the concealer, smaller concealer brush, bronzer brush. Using a duo fiber stippling brush is the game changer. Powder brush. And then I've been liking this little angled brush. I think this one's for concealer from Real Techniques, but The shape of it is very unique, and I enjoy using this for powder blush, especially the tiny little box compacts. I think this goes so cute. So that is everything in my bag. Let me show you a quick OOTD so you can see what I'm about to wear out. And then, yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know if you enjoyed it down below by hitting the thumbs up. If you want to chat with me about any of these products, any trips you're going on, I would just love to chat with you down below. See you in the next one. Bye. Okay, so here is the outfit. I'm wearing these ginormous lug sole boots, and I'm obsessed. They're from UGG. Best present I've ever gotten, and I'm so glad that now that there's a little freeze warning, I can pull them out and get ready and just brave the snow with warm feet. So yeah, this is it. Is this how the girlies do OOTDs? Signing off now. Bye.